Hey everyone, my name is Annabelle. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. If you're struggling with the damaged skin barrier, sensitivity, breakout, I totally understand because I have been there before. So let me show you my realistic morning routine that's helped me heal and has continued to heal my skin barrier without overcomplicating things or spending too much. Let's get right into it. So I start by washing my hands first. I've done that already to make sure you take out all the germs from your hands. I keep my morning routine pretty simple to avoid overwhelming my skin. So I'm going in first with my face cleanser, and this is a tea tree skin clearing facial wash from the Body Shop. So I love this cleanser because it has tea tree in it and salicylic acid. It helps to keep the acne at bay. When I use this, I don't wet my face immediately. I just wet my hands and then apply it gently on my face. Don't forget your neck too. It actually has menthol in it, so make sure you avoid your eye area, and if eventually gets into your eye, please make sure you rinse properly. So I massage in for 1 minute, and most times I let it sit for another 1 minute to get it into my skin properly. This cleanser is also gentle and barrier friendly. So like I said earlier, it keeps the acne off your face. So I think it's okay. Let's rinse off now. Okay, this is all clean now. Next up is I'm going in with this hydrating toner from May Skin. It's a Nigerian brand. And I love the fact that it has bee propolis. It helps to calm the skin down. So I'm just going to tap it into my skin. It also has coenzyme Q10, which is very perfect for your skin barrier. This toner is skin barrier friendly. It is well formulated and it gives your skin that juicy feel without irritation. Look at how glowing my skin is. This toner has a lot of benefits. So if you can lay your hands on it, I'll leave the link in my description box so you can get it. Okay, so we're going in with the moisturizer now. This is the Bubble Level Up Balancing Moisturizer. And one thing about me is, what I do is I look into ingredients and not products. So I can change the product, but the ingredient remains similar or even the same. I used to use the Vast Dew Point Moisturizer, but then I switched to this after doing my research and I saw that it had the same thing. I don't like seeing the same bottle on my shelf for a very long time. Maybe after I've used like twice, I might decide to want to see something new on my shelf. So I do research for products that has the same ingredients just to make sure that it doesn't damage my skin barrier again. So I'm going in with this one now. I just love the packaging. It looks very catchy, and that was why I decided to do the research to make sure that the products were the same. It's really lightweight, as you can see, for daytime. So since I'm heading to work now, this is really friendly for the weather. and also for my skin. So I've used one stone to kill two birds. I really, really love it. No, it has no fragrance at all. So you can see how my skin is looking now. Yeah. So what I do is I let it go down a bit, like dry down, because you're not supposed to apply your sunscreen when your skin is a bit down. So you need to let it dry down before you apply your sunscreen. Now we're going to go into the most important part of the morning routine, which is your sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. You shouldn't joke with this at all. This is the Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice SPF 50 PA+++ from Beauty of Juicing. So I love this sunscreen because of course it's for barrier. So if you have acne, I think you can use this sunscreen. It is perfect and it doesn't sting my eyes at all. I love how it blends into the skin without leaving white cast. So I've seen like a lot of sunscreens. I've used a couple of sunscreens that gave me white cast. So what I do with my sunscreen is I just apply it in this manner. I don't blend it in completely like I'm applying a moisturizer. So I try to spread it around. Please avoid your eye. It doesn't sting my eye, but just make sure you don't get it into your eye. This product is not meant for the eyes. So I do the three stuff on my face and then my neck too. I'm heading to work now. So I make sure that I stay protected. Anyways, I don't really go out once I get to the office. I'm in the office till the sun sets. So basically I don't even reapply my sunscreen. But if you go out and you're going to be outside all day, please make sure you reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. So I'm going to just let this dry down before blending it in. I also like the fact that it is acne friendly, like I said earlier. So if you have acne or you have a damaged skin barrier, you can use this sunscreen. It blends beautifully. I really, really love this sunscreen. I'm happy the day I found this sunscreen. It's lovely. You can see it's going down, like it's drying down, and I'll just let it dry down. And this is it, guys, for my realistic morning routine. Now I'd like to add that most products are not promoted or marketed are products with even better ingredient lists. They do not have a long list of products. They have products that are just targeted for specific skin concerns. So do well to research your product. It's your face, it's your skin. You should check what you're putting on your skin and you have the liberty to choose or not to choose what to apply or put on your skin. So do well to do your research. You can use the inkydecoder.com. That is what I use to make sure that I check that my product is safe for use and I know what my skin needs. So I make sure that all the products I use have those ingredients in them. Remember, consistency is everything. Healing your skin barrier doesn't need a 10 steps or fancy products. Just make sure you let your skin breathe, treat it with love, and trust the process. If you're on a skin recovery journey, drop a comment. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you like more skin barrier tips like this one. See you next time.